How to correctly convert GGIS to CIMB Bank. Now, this specific process may not be available for everyone. Now, in order for you to have a certain balance directly from GGIS, you'll have to provide an application first. So open up your GCash account and log in using your 4-digit PIN. And then from here, at the upper portion of your screen, you should be able to see Wallet, Save, Borrow, and Grow. Just go straight into Borrow and then choose on GGIS. This is for specific users that have not yet been um, approved on using GGIS. However, if you already have a specific fund directly from GGIS, all you have to do is just to simply swap it over or to transfer your GGIS funds directly into your GCash wallet. Once you once you successfully transferred it over, all you have to do next is to hit on transfer and then go into local. And then if you scroll down, go into view all. And then from here, just simply type in CIMB. So this is where you'll have to enter your CIMB bank credentials, such as the amount, the account name, account number, and then hit on send money. That is how you correctly convert GGIVs to CIMB bank.